Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this City Beauty Volumizing Treatment Ultra Pigmented Beyond Mascara. It has biotin and plant extracts in it, a buildable mascara for younger looking lashes. And so I love trying out mascaras, especially mascaras that have nourishing ingredients in them, because I really care about how my lashes look, how long my lashes grow, and I take pretty good care of my lashes if I do say so myself. But this actually was sent to me for free in PR by City Beauty. So I always give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. This retails for $35. And it's supposed to give volume and length and fullness. I definitely look for that in my mascaras. I'm very picky with mascaras, but I love to try them out. But I really want an impactful mascara that's pretty much going to make my lashes look like false lashes. So let's check this out. Ooh. Interesting packaging. At first I'm like, wow, this is a huge mascara. But then it gets more narrow at the bottom, but it looks really pretty. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, this is interesting looking as well, because I thought it maybe got skinnier at the top, but no, I think it's actually like a spiral shape, which is really cool. I don't think I've seen that before. And it has the brush type bristles. But so here, hopefully you can see a little bit what that spiral looks like. So cool. So I'm gonna go right ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes. And I'll just apply it to one of my eyes at first so that we can compare the difference. I mean, this wand seems to be pretty good. Like, I'm able to coat all of the lashes. I did already get a little mascara on my eyelid, but it's a nice dark black color. Oh no. That is the worst timing for a sneeze when you put on fresh wet mascara, because now I got it on my under eye. I can't believe that just happened. But okay, it definitely does seem to be lengthening because it is coating the entire lash all the way to the tip of the lash, which I like to see. No clumping, and the lashes are staying separated. So far, it is looking really nice. Let's see. Okay, so I think this is going to be the type of mascara where I can let it dry down and brush it away. Oh, awesome. So it doesn't actually smudge, it just dries and flakes away, which I love that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just apply it to these lower lashes. This is a nice lower lash mascara because it will lengthen them very quickly and easily, darken the lower lashes. But that's really all I look for my lower lash mascara. I don't go too crazy there. But where I do want to go a little crazy is these top lashes. So let's try and layer it up. I am starting to see some of the lashes stick together a little bit. So I won't be able to layer and layer and layer, because then it's going to look like fewer and fewer lashes since they start to stick together. But it's nice and lengthening. Just tap at the ends there to coat them even more. So I would say this is more of a lengthening mascara than a volumizing mascara. And I like to layer my mascaras, so when it comes to layering this with other mascaras, I would use this as my second mascara, I think. To just coat and lengthen. So that's pretty good. Definitely a little messy though. I keep getting mascara on my eyelid, but it's so nice that it doesn't smudge. So check out the difference with it versus without it. It is very nice. It's not my favorite mascara I've ever used because of how the lashes eventually are starting to stick together and they're not staying fanned out and allowing me to layer and layer the volume. But it is still nice and it does really enhance the lashes. I like that it has those nourishing ingredients in it for my lashes as well. My lashes right now though, I think might be the longest they've ever been. And that is because I've been using a lot of different lash enhancing products at the same time. But the Babe Lash serum makes such an amazing difference, and I did start using that a few weeks ago. But I also have been using that Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Treatment Mascara, which is a mascara I would recommend over this one here because that one also has nourishing ingredients that I really saw a difference in how long my lashes were. I also used the Lancome Lash Primer and another mascara type lash serum at night as well. So a lot of lash enhancing products that are really paying off. So when using a mascara like this, which is really nice and lengthening, I just think it looks so incredible on my lashes, and I love to show off having long lashes, and this mascara really lets me do that. But I did say I'm very picky with my mascaras, and this one is perfectly decent, but I'm just not blown away by it. So let me know in the comments down below, what are some of your favorite mascaras? And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.